I'm Scarlett Fu. What you missed? Twitter is set to report earnings before Wednesday's U.S. opening bell. The social media company may be the preferred communications tool for President Trump, but it is facing its first revenue decline since going public. Let's look at Twitter in today's The Numbers Don't Lie. So Twitter stock, which is the white line, has been on a pretty steady decline. The blue line, that's revenue, has staggered to a 1% gain last quarter. So far, things have not improved since Jack Dorsey, the co-founder, took over as CEO in 2015. Revenue growth is not forecast to turn positive until 2018. Now, analysts expect a 14% drop in the first quarter, or I should say the fourth quarter of 2017, but first quarter of the fiscal year. Now, Dorsey originally set 2017 as the year that Twitter would stop losing money. Analysts, however, don't expect it to be profitable anytime soon. Twitter now says it is focused on making progress toward its goal this year. The sales headwinds come as user growth stalls. You have Comscore data showing that Twitter app visitors have stopped rising, falling, in fact, from December through February. The question is, to what extent Twitter's numbers reflect this stagnation? Now, an absolute decline in use could further risk advertiser confidence after Twitter's U.S. ad sales fell in the second half as marketers shifted spending away from Twitter. You have competition from Instagram and Snapchat that may cause Twitter's share of ad spending to drop. There's one study that shows 11% of surveyed global marketers plan to reduce their spending on Twitter in 2017, 4% more than the nearest pair. And that has Wall Street worried. Of the big U.S. tech names, Twitter has the third lowest percentage of analyst buy ratings. Disney and others last year, we saw how they backed away from a deal with Twitter. The problem is that prospective buyers may not see a clear return on investment at current valuations since Twitter has not been able to revive user growth. We'll, of course, be following Twitter's earnings before Wednesday's U.S. opening bell.